The OEMTOOLS front-wheel drive bearing remover and installer set is designed to remove and install press-in style wheel bearings on front-wheel drive vehicles. Let's get started. To remove the wheel bearing, first select the sleeve adapter that is greater in size than the outer diameter of the wheel bearing. For the opposite side, select the bearing adapter that is just less than the inner diameter of the steering knuckle opening. Assemble the tool by inserting the pressure screw through the thrust washers, the proper step-in adapter plate, and the sleeve. Then insert the pressure screw through the wheel bearing. On the opposite side, place the bearing adapter onto the pressure screw and start the forcing nut by hand. Place a 1 1/4 wrench or ratchet on the forcing nut and using a 1 1/8 inch wrench, ratchet, or impact wrench, tighten the pressure screw. When installing the wheel bearing, first select the bearing adapter that is the size of the wheel bearing but smaller than the inner diameter of the steering knuckle opening. If your car has an ABS sensor, the magnetic strip on the wheel bearing must be facing this sensor during installation. Start the wheel bearing by hand. Place the assembly into the wheel bearing and place the bearing adapter plate and forcing nut onto the pressure screw. Finally, place a 1 1/4 inch wrench on the forcing nut and use a 1 1/8 inch wrench or ratchet to tighten the pressure screw to press in the wheel bearing until snug. You should now be able to install the retaining clip and hub assembly.